What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be discussing you Testerup. Can you still make money on it? So you might be wondering, can you actually make money on the platform itself? But let's go and first discuss what is Testerup. So Testerup is a mobile platform where you're offered small tasks. Things like trying out games, exploring new apps, filling out surveys, and sometimes reviewing websites. The idea is to do tasks, give feedback, and get paid. Now, once you download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store, you'll be shown a feed of available tasks. Each one tells you what's required and what's supposedly pays. Some claims high payouts here up to like $200 or more for completing a single offer, or even several thousand if you finish everything on the platform. But like most things online here, those numbers look better than they perform in reality here. Now, in this case, how does it actually work? So after installing the app and creating an account here, you scroll through tasks. Maybe you're asked to play a game and reach level 20, or complete a survey or try out a website's feature. For every completed task, you earn credits. Now, once your credits hit $20 or more, you can cash out using PayPal, and basically that's the idea. Now, in this case, what are the good things first? So first, it's user-friendly, or it has a user-friendly design. Now, signing up is really fast, and the layout of the app is clean and simple to navigate. And also, they have like quick earn tasks here. So the surveys in particular are really fast to do, and often pays a bit of a change here. Nothing crazy. The payouts small for this one, but easy money if you've got a spare few minutes here. Now, you can also hop into tasks whenever it suits you. So in line, at the coffee shop, during a commute, or whatever, you're just bored on the phone, you can just do any task via the platform. And also, lots of variety here. So one day it's a survey, another it's a game challenge or website feedback. So it differs on a daily basis. Now, since we discussed the good things about it, obviously there are going to be a few things that you may want to take in consideration here. So first is the pay isn't that great. So the money sounds better on paper than in practice. Sometimes some task here takes hours and pay just a few bucks. For example, spending several hours in a mobile game like Monopoly Go or any other game out there that needs testing might earn you around like $2 only. Not exactly life changing, but just a few change here for a few hours of work. Now, in this case, also tasks sometimes glitch or don't track. So this one is going to be kind of frustrating. Even if you follow the steps exactly, there's a chance your completion doesn't register and you don't get paid. If you start a task from a web browser instead of directly from the app, it can mess things up. And also, there's going to be a commitment in here, or long-time commitments. So a lot of games require multi-day logins or progress-based goals that aren't quick to finish. So you're not just playing for 5 minutes, you may need to come back every day for a week to hit the payout target here. And also, many of the games you're testing seem more focused on getting you to make in-app purchases than collecting your feedback. So you might get offers like earn cash back on your first $5 purchase or something similar to that, which is just sneaky way of getting you to spend money. But be careful with that. And also, it feels like testing, more like advertising here. The more you use it, the more it becomes obvious that you're not really providing usable insights. You're just boosting their download stats and ad revenue by spending time in their app. So you might be wondering, is it worth it here? So technically, yes, you can earn a few bucks here and there if you have spare time, especially if you stick to the surveys or light task here. But if your goal is to earn enough to treat it like a side hustle or a paycheck replacement, it's going to be disappointing. Now, the payout just doesn't match the time you'll put it in, or the time you'll use using or spending using the platform or doing tasks here. But yeah, it actually depends on you. So if you have free time or just don't know what to do, well, obviously you could go and just use the platform itself and see if that works for you. But if you're looking for a dedicated side hustle here that consistently earns, well, this might be a kind of if situation if you want to try it. So yeah. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.